Hello friends, as all of you know that 90% of the skin diseases can be diagnosed visually, and so telemedicine, teledermatology plays a very vital role. And myself, Dr. Dinesh Bhutra, practicing as a dermatologist, cosmetologist and trichologist in India. So I am doing both tele practice and clinic practice, inpatient practice. So in dermatology, this is a boon, as only if you want to take a consultation or if you want to take a treatment online for your visual diagnosis, we can visually diagnose your disease, and accordingly we can treat you in a very well way. Until and unless you have to do any procedures, you don't have to come to our clinic. And if you have any chronic disease and you are staying at a very long distance, so teledermatology gives you a very good option to consult us. So I appeal all my patients all over the world, all over in India, as I have my 4 YouTube channels, and because of these YouTube channels I am become the pan world, and everybody from world and everybody from India wants to know the newer therapies, wants to take my opinion. So for those I am available for telemedicine, and you can approach to me by sharing your videos of your disease. You can directly contact to me. I can guide you properly. And if you want to take any second opinion also, I can give you the second opinion of your disease, what are the possible treatments to be done in case of your disease. And so this is the biggest advantage of teledermatology and telemedicine. So you can come and show me in my clinic, and at the same time, if you are not able to come to my clinic, if you are staying far away, if you want to take my opinion, you can consult me online and you can take my online consultation. At the same time, if your disease can be visually diagnosed, I can visually diagnose your disease and I can give you the proper treatment for that, and at the same time I can give you the proper follow-up. So welcome my dear, you can consult me online and offline. Thank you.